People of South Africa, it is the morning. Tomorrow, it is the 17th of November 2025. The national shutdown is still happening outside the 17th of November 2025. We are saying no to rand manipulation. We are saying the corrupt politicians must be arrested with immediate effect. But please, guys, please, kausani, no looting. No to looting. No to looting. There must never be those that will see tomorrow in national shutdown SASA as an opportunity for them to loot, as an opportunity for them to ban amakliniki, ikolo nani. No to all those things, guys. Tomorrow we must have a peaceful march. There must never be those that will join those who are already destroying our country. There must never be those that will join them by looting, join them by burning our buildings. No to that, guys. Please, tomorrow, no to looting. No to looting. Ours tomorrow is to go out to the street of South Africa and say no to rand manipulation and demand the useless president called Cyril Ramaphosa to step down and demand all the corrupt politicians to be arrested with immediate effect. Let us fix our country, and whilst fixing our country, we must not destroy our country. Whilst fixing our country, we must not destroy our country. While fixing our country, we must never be out there in the street and be looting. Please, 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 guys.